Look at the rabbit.
Look at it. It's a rabbit. What's the rabbit name?
We thought it was a female, and then we figured out today it was a male. So his name was Sugar, now it's Mr. Sugar.
Mr. Sugar.
Mr. Sugar.
But we still call it Sugar.
Oh,
okay.
Picture you.
Was floating there in the surface and never feel no pain. Why? Because you wonder back to the moon once again. Bodies float to the shore, floating.
You know, you gotta be adaptable when you're a gardener, farmer. Adversity. Someone parked in our spot today at the Bowling Green Farmers Market, and we got a different spot. We still gonna sell out, but gotta be able to adjust. We up at the farmer's market with it. You know the juice is going crazy. Look at Qatar down there slump. There's all the vendors, different vendors. As we can see here, they got the sweets right here. But they got some bakeries, some cookies. I'm not sure if it's vegan or not. Well, I'm not even vegan because I eat honey. They got some jams and jellies. Okay. Bread. Some potatoes, peas. Okay. They got some honey. Oh, look at that. Dude, how y'all doing? Y'all mind if I record y'all?
Sure.
All right. Y'all take Apple Pay?
No.
Okay. Okay, for sure. And y'all these are made out of beeswax?
Yes, sir.
Man, that's amazing. Look at this, y'all. This going on our YouTube.
Okay. 100% natural.
What's the point of having social media if you ain't gonna support businesses, you know?
I really appreciate it.
Look at this. This is amazing. So y'all have your own bees?
Oh, yeah.
How many colonies y'all have?
Over 60.
Over 60? Are y'all in the Bowling Green area?
We go from Findlay all the way to Toledo.
Wow. So y'all have that many hives?
Oh, yes.
Dang. So our farm it's in Bradner, Ohio. You feel me? We are gonna do bees, but I ain't learned enough of yet, and so I'm just gonna wait. I ain't trying to kill a colony.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
So
I need a good mentor. My husband's a great mentor.
do y'all have a card or anything I can connect y'all? I would love to connect and learn more.
There you go.
All right.
But yep, the more bee people we have, the better off it is.
Exactly.
So.
If the bees go, we go.
Exactly.
So I'm just buzzing around.
Yeah, I like
I'm just
that.
buzzing around. Well, thank y'all ladies so much, and I appreciate it.
Anytime. How are you? Fine. How are you? You just see me every day. Thank you. Don't
Sugar milk bakery.
I know.
Here we go. Mystery mushroom. All right, let's keep it moving. Right, there's a coffee shop. They got the trucks out there. We got here. How y'all doing? I would try that, but it's probably made with milk, eggs, or something crazy.
These two aren't.
No cheese, no eggs, no milk, none of that.
Both of these are gluten-free and vegan.
All right, bet. Let me try this pumpkin bread.
It's amazing.
Let me see how it's hitting.
Do you want to try any of our oat milk lattes?
good on coffee. Well, good.
I made it on Monday.
You're a good cook. You do your thing. Hey, one time I'm gonna tell y'all a story.
Yes.
It's funny as hell. And I can't bake. So we had our garden in Texas, right? And we grew, the first thing we ever grew was squash, yellow squash. So I was like, "Bet I'm about to make some squash bread." You know what I'm saying? So I'm starting to bake my squash bread, and I use baking powder instead of baking soda. And I made the bread. I got it all pretty. I put some sprinkles. I put a little powdered sugar on it. Got it looking good, right? I thought it was fire. I ain't tasted it yet. So there was a coffee truck at the end of our block. I used to go down there all the time to get some coffee, you feel me? I took it to her in a nice little cup, nice presentation, and I gave it to her. When I left. And then I came back, I gave some to my wife, she almost threw up, and I went back the next day, and I was like, I hope she didn't eat that, and I apologized for giving that to her. But yeah, it was terrible. It was terrible. So I don't bake no more.
No, that's how I was in the bakery. I was like, please get somebody else, because one of these days it's not going to taste right.
That's good. You did your thing. I appreciate y'all.
Yeah. Hope you have a good time over there, and hope y'all sell some stuff.
We're going to be back next to y'all next week.
Yeah.
I should have told it. So you got to be able to adapt. And so somebody was in our spot, so we moved over there for the right over there for the meantime. But you know, we make it work. Appreciate y'all. So right here, she got her own fragrance.
This should be a verse where they can use on something. Go to the clinic.
She got the candles. You feel me? They're getting a good show. Yeah.
Well, it seems like it's a nice.
You mind if I put your business on our YouTube?
Oh, go right in.
Oh yeah. Go. Can you tell us your name?
Sharon Jackson, owner of the Flame Candles, where I make handmade soy candles, wax melts, and hand-dipped incense.
Amazing.
Yep, I'm local in Toledo, Ohio, in the OSN area, so give me a call, 419-973-3263, and you can come and do an in-store visit. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, and we're definitely going to put that information in our description and also along with this video for the YouTube. Thank you so much. She got some good stuff. We got some candles from her. We got the lemon balm lavender candle.
Yeah, the
fire.
lavender and lemon.
Fire. We already got that one, y'all. I'm telling y'all.
It's my top seller, 3 years, going on 3 years.
Going on 3 years? Hey, we're going to keep it that way.
Appreciate
Thank you so much.
Thanks, guys.
Let's keep moving. Let's keep grooving. Great Lakes. Oh, that's sharpening now. She got some lavender right there. How you doing? What you doing with the lavender?
Right now I'm picking off the buds to make the sachets.
It smells so good.
Fresh lavender, and that's dry, and then there's spray.
Lavender is my favorite herb. If I could be a plant today, I'll be a lavender plant.
That would be a good thing.
You know what I'm saying?
You'd be very versatile.
I know, right? Thank you so much. I'll just keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. Are you busy? No. You mind if I put you on our YouTube and you share your business with us?
Sure.
All right, go ahead. Go ahead.
Hey y'all, so my name is Sierra, owner at King and Queen Skin Smell So Fresh. We got body butter, sugar scrubs, beard oils, roll-on perfume and cologne. So here's some of our body butters. We got some of the similar fragrances like I had to catch my breath. So we have Bad Boy, we have Dior Sauvage, we got Jimmy Choo, we got Gucci Guilty, and our products is only 5 ingredients.
Let me smell.
Go ahead. That's Guilty. It's gonna moisturize and hydrate your skin.
That smells so good.
And you see, for people who have sensitive skin, psoriasis, or eczema, we have the matching sugar scrub. Go ahead, take a sniff.
What's in this one for the skin? So it'd be good for like a skin with eczema, you said?
Yeah, so we just have shea butter, sunflower oil, sweet almond oil, safe preservative, and the fragrance.
Okay.
Then we have the matching roll-on oil. Then we also have our matching beard oil.
Okay.
And our beard oil has about 7 different oils.
Okay.
Then we also have our matching fragrances for our ladies. We have our body butters and our sugar scrubs. And then we have our roll-ons. And then we have our also matching incenses.
Nice. So how can people find you on social media?
So you can either find me on Facebook under King and Queen Skin Smells So Fresh or King and Queen Spa, because I'm also a licensed esthetician, so you know I know skin like the back of my hand. Or you can also find me on Instagram, and I gotta look at my Instagram because I got hacked, so I had to make a whole new Instagram. But it's King_Ann_Queen_shop1.
It's on there?
Yes.
I'll take one of those. I'm gonna put it in this video.
And then I also have a website. It's called, right here, it's kingandqueenspa.llc. Well, no, it's not. That's my email, my bad. But it's kingandqueenspa.square.site.
Got it. We're gonna put this on there. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing, and y'all get with her.
Yeah.
I'll be back. I need to get some of that that butter.
I'm gonna get some of the juice. All I keep hearing is come try some juice. I'm like, I'm gonna let all the customers
Hold
get
up.
some.
You know what? You know what we can do? We can do a barter trade.
Okay.
Barter trading is basically when they used to use gold and silver, but you have a product that we want, we got a product that you want, and we can do hand in whatever the price is. We do like that.
Okay. I'm down for the call.
All right. We got another one right here. Buck off. The name right there. She active right now. She busy. Good to see the melanated folks out here getting it in. We got some hot sauce. Your son just brought me some hot sauce.
Did he?
He did. He worked. I've been sending him over at Rapid Fire. Your son work at Rapid Fire? Oh, wrong son. Oops, my bad.
That's okay.
My bad. I actually got this one at home.
Do ya?
This right here. Y'all mind if I record y'all?
That's fine.
This is so good. Y'all mind telling us about y'all company? All I can say it's good. I got some.
It is. This is a family-owned company. We are here out of Northwest Ohio. We make all the sauces ourselves in a co-op kitchen, including the mustard by hand. So we make it all ourselves. The salt levels and things in it are really good. The sugar levels in it are really good. We got hot if you want hot. We got some not so hot if that's your jam. And we got 3 more coming out sometime this summer.
Well, thank you so much. And I'm gonna put this on our YouTube. And I can say for myself, I bought some of this and it is delicious.
Thank you.
Thank y'all so much.
Have a good evening.
You too. Got another one right here. Steve's Garden. You Steve? Where's Steve at?
Stevens is our last name.
Stevens. Okay. You mind if I record you? Can you tell us about your farm and how this zucchini gets so good? Look at this, y'all. This is amazing.
Zucchini, if you want, this is when you don't pick them right away. If you let them grow, they'll get large like this.
Okay.
And then this is when it's really good for bread.
Bread.
If you want it tender
Zucchini
for
bread.
Yep.
Okay.
If you're wanting it for sauteing, soft, then you want to pick them when they're small like that.
Okay.
But for people who are bakers or making the noodles, we let them go so that they can be larger. And
That's amazing. This is crazy. Y'all want to tell us a little bit about your farm, please? We're gonna put y'all on our YouTube if that's okay.
Yep.
All right.
My name's Tracy. Oh my gosh, trying to think which generation. What, the 4th generation?
4th generation farmer? Oh, congratulations. That's amazing.
Our father bought the farm from his mom, and his grandfather taught him how to farm.
Okay.
And so now we're farming with our dad. He's 83 years old and going strong. We are a very small family farm located in Monclova.
How many acres you
We own 11 and a half there, but we're farming, I want to say it's around 60 acres.
Okay.
We rent any farmland.
Okay. That's amazing.
There's not a lot of farmland out there anymore.
That's amazing. Well, I thank y'all so much for sharing that at the Bowling Green Farmers Market. And y'all look at this food. Y'all see they doing, look at these onions. Look at how gorgeous the onions
Those are sweet candy onions.
Sweet candy onions. I don't think I had those before.
Oh, they're sweeter than a medallion. If you haven't had a candy onion, you got to take it home and try it, and then you can let us know.
You giving this to me?
Yep.
Look at that, y'all.
What you think?
Stevens Farm. Thank y'all. So, should I put this on the avocado sandwich or something?
Oh, anything. They're great raw, but when you cook them, they even get sweeter.
Ooh, I already bet. You said sweet. I was like, I ain't never had onions in my smoothie, but nah. Thank y'all so much. I appreciate y'all.
Have a great day.
You too. How you doing? You mind if I record you? You don't have to be. It's all up to you. You in charge. All right. She got some goodies. I'm not putting you on the camera. Just the goodies. Just the goodies. All right. A little bit of everything. They gotta see us where people come and get produce boxes and food boxes, and it's like a subscription. How y'all doing?
Hi.
Y'all mind if I record?
No, you're fine. Go right ahead.
Would y'all mind sharing about y'all program, y'all food box program, and about y'all farm information?
Yes, we do what's called a CSAs, and it's called Community Support Agriculture. And what we do is we supply our members with a box full of produce every week. They get to pick exactly what goes in their box. So when they sign up, they'll go online, and we'll give them an availability list of everything that we have available. We have all the different fruits and vegetables, and we also have beef, bacon, or beef, pork, chicken, eggs, coffee, bread, maple syrup, honey, and all sorts of different things that they can get online. And so you just go to funacres.net, sign up, and become a member, and we can supply you with stuff all summer long, every week. And in the wintertime, we do it twice a month. So love to have you as a member.
Man, thank you so much, and I'm gonna put the information in the description on the YouTube.
Okay.
Thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you.
Look at this beautiful food they got, y'all.
Thank you for sharing it for us.
And you know, what's the point of social media? Look at them blueberries.
Is there anything I can help you with?
Oh yeah. How you doing?
I'm fine. My name is Afi. My business name is Custom Treatz. I make handmade rugs. That's what loves here. I make shirts. I also do all over shirts. I do custom items. I have some coasters, some tumblers. One of my main sellers is my rugs, shirts, and my taglines and Malibu jewelry. I have some more coming in, and then I have a few of the shirts over there. I don't know what else you want to know. Let's see. I make I do bathroom sets.
Okay.
I do wine sets. I do branding for businesses. So if you want to put your logo on a rug or any of these items, or you have other items, I have lots of things on the website. So
Well, for
if I
sure.
have it, you can talk about it, see what we can get done.
All right, I'm gonna sign right here. We're gonna put her information on the YouTube. There's a card. But we thank you so
I
much.
do have a YouTube too, but I haven't put any videos on it lately.
Oh, you should start, cause we'll tag you in it.
I used to do. When I started, I made resin and different type of jewelry.
Okay.
In the last 2 years, this is what I do now.
Okay.
My YouTube is redalmond2257/custom trees.
Okay. Well, we thank you so much.
Thank you.
With them sauces. Them sauces. So we brought Qatar to the market, and she been asleep on the job. Look at homegirl, Qatar. Yeah, she might be dreaming. Homegirl slumped.